What's going on, guys? Welcome back to C&R Reviews. I'm E-Rock, and today I'm going to be reviewing this battery organizer that I bought recently. So I saw this advertised on Instagram, I believe. This was interesting to me because I always keep extra batteries, which I have some here right now, and I've always kept them in these little Tupperware containers in my drawer, just separate them that way. And I saw this, and it was showing that it'll hold 93 batteries, and it has a built-in battery tester, which I thought was really cool because one time one of the pack of batteries I ordered of AA's, the whole pack was defective. The batteries were all dead. So that's never happened to me in my whole life ever. So I'm not sure, what happened to that batch, but anyway, I wanted to get something like this to organize all these batteries, and I thought the battery tester was kind of a bonus. But it's cool too because it has a spot for some of these smaller, like watch type or flat batteries or whatever, like these, which I have these as well. I have all different sizes of batteries, from D batteries all the way down to AA's or AAA's, and then some of those smaller flat batteries as well. So let's go ahead and open this, see what it looks like, and see if this battery tester works fairly well. And we'll find out. Oh, I knew I was going to need a knife. Let's see here. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It was $14. Yeah, it was $14.11 on Amazon. That's what it's listed for right now. I just checked this morning, and so it's pretty cheap. So I want to see what it looks like. Well, this came in an Amazon box by itself, and it was wrapped pretty good, and then this box is well made, and it has a bunch of information and stuff on it. So, and this is wrapped in bubble wrap. All right. It's pretty simple construction. I mean, it's all plastic, right? And, it's got like a lid. Okay, cool. That's kind of nice. Just opens up like that. And then you can see all the holes are just all the way through, whatever, but it'll hold 9-volt batteries, AA, AAA, I think D as well. Yeah, all of them. So, and then it has hardware for mounting it on your wall. Okay. To remove the tester, slide to the left and remove. Okay. Let's check it out. All right, you can see the battery tester in there, right? And then this thing spins around, so it'll hold those little batteries, or they'll just sit in there without falling out. Right. All right. Let's see here. Oh, that's easy. So it just slides in there. It's just held in there like that. You just slide it out. It's really light. I mean, this is really light construction. They've definitely saved some plastic, by having the holes cut out here. It's not solid, so that's actually fine, and I like that. That's good. It doesn't need to be, I mean, I don't want this thing super heavy because it's going to be, especially if I hang it on the wall. So, all right, let's test one of these batteries. You can see it's got the little dial on there to test it out, and it tells you which way to put the battery in, or it shows you. It has a little diagram here. So, let's see. Oh, cool. Okay. You can see that there. The needle is all the way in the green, so that battery is good. And you can see when I take it out, the needle goes down. Let's see here. Now, what I would say right off the top is this red piece here that goes up against the battery, if that was spring loaded, it would be awesome. Okay, it'd be perfect. But it's not, so you have to hold it on there. And then you can see that the how it reads out. It even tests D batteries. It barely fits in there. It barely touches the ends, but it does work. Now these are all brand new batteries that I've had in here. I mean, they're not brand new. I've had them in here. Some of these I've had in here for probably a year, honestly. Especially the AAAs. I don't use those very often. AA's I use a lot, but AAA's I don't use very much. D batteries I never used to use until we recently got a trash can for the kitchen that has one of those automatic like lids that goes up and down, you know, like a sensor. So it just, then it uses D batteries. So, well, we know this thing works. A little battery tester, that's really cool. I like that. And then let's see how we can organize these right here. Okay. The way they fit, it's not tight. In fact, I'll tell you what I like already. I didn't realize this until I started putting batteries in there. The holes are made on an angle. So if you're hanging this on the wall, which a lot of people probably will mount this on a wall, they won't have a tendency to fall out, even if this cover is not over them. That's really cool. I like that. Okay. Good. All right, let's see. We got AAA's. Now, I don't have any 9-volt batteries to put in the 9-volt slot, but this, those rectangles right there, those are for 9-volt batteries. And then, of course, you know, more D. And then these are C batteries, which I don't actually have any C batteries either because I haven't needed a C battery in quite a few years. In fact, I think it was when my kids were younger, like little, like toddlers and stuff, and we would get them toys that required different size batteries, and I think that's the last time I used a C battery. Now, I've also got a lot of like odd batteries, like stuff extremely small. Those don't have a place in here, so that's okay though. All right, well, I don't have enough batteries to fill the whole thing, but it's pretty full, and it still has a lot of room, which is really nice. Oh, one thing I forgot to show. This tester has a test on the side for 9-volt batteries. And, you know, this can be, the way they show it on the advertisement and on the box here, it says, you know, you just store them in your drawer, or like this, or you can mount it. And like I showed you earlier, it comes with this mounting hardware, okay, to mount it on your wall. This is really nice. Really cool design. Yeah, I can take this lid right out, which is probably what I'll do, to be honest. So it can hang on the wall without the lid on there. Really nice. Well, anyway, I'll have a link for this item in the description below. Let me know if you guys have ever had one of these or tried one out, how it worked out for you. And you know, I'm loving it so far. I mean, it definitely organized them, and they stick out enough and they're loose enough where they're very easy to pull out. You know, all the holes are on an angle, so that when you're hanging it on the wall, they won't slip out, fall out. Really good design. I am liking it. Well, that's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.